Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that fun little cleaning video today. I decided to clean out both my truck and my wife's car. And I was like, I always find it satisfying, those videos online where, you start from a mess and then the satisfaction of seeing it being clean. So I was like, why not? I'll record it. It gives me something to do. I'm fairly new to this whole YouTube thing and making videos and editing videos, so I kind of wanted something that I could do like a montage, put some music in, maybe some effects. So if you're watching this, then I have successfully messed with it and played with it, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It wasn't a full detailed video. It's only like 26, 25 degrees today, so it's below freezing. So there's no possible way that I can use any water or any type of liquid to use to get stain removal or anything. It's way too cold. So obviously it wasn't perfect and it wasn't a full detail, but it was still enjoyable to do and it needed to be done. So if you guys would like to see in the future when it gets warmer, maybe some product reviews, some detailed videos, comment down below what you'd like to see. If you'd like to see a certain product being tested, I do have a lot of stuff on that shelf. But yeah guys, that's the video. Subscribe for more videos to come. Until next time, peace.